Namaskar. Good morning, friends. I always used to be live on Facebook for last 4 or 5 days. Yesterday, I didn't came on personal reason, which is only reason of spiritual practice. Yesterday was no moon day. It is called Amavasya, Chaitra Amavasya. So Chaitra Amavasya, it's such a powerful day and night, which has to be dedicated for our self understanding, going into the depth of our own being. Like Mahavira has left his body on Deepavali night, which is another beautiful no moon night. Likewise, Shivratri, Mahashivratri is also no moon night. Likewise, yesterday is also Chaitra Amavasya. What is the importance of such days and nights? On full moon days and night, we have so much full of energy. Our mind is occupied with so many thoughts, emotions, actions, physical, mental, emotional, which creates a lot of cluster in our own being. But on such no moon days and nights, mental, psychological, emotional feelings are to the bottom of our being. That doesn't mean we are lack of all those things, but we are lack of interest, because one understand energy is going to the depth, energy is going to that bottom of our self. So such times has to be utilized for meditation. What do you know by meditation? To be meditative, it's something where you have to be with your own self. What is your own self? So we have to observe what is our self. This body made of 5 elements: Prithvi, Agni, Jala, Vayu, Akash. So earth, wind, fire, space. All these 4 and 5 elements clubbed together is our body. So this body has one more chitta. The chitta means mana. Chitta means thought. And when that mana get into observation of self, that is called manana, chintana. So these days and nights has to be utilized for chintan, manan, nididhyas, observation, pondering, meditativeness. So such days and nights has to be utilized for self observation. That's what I was doing yesterday. On that note, where you can connect with sound, humming sound of cosmos, which is called Nada Brahma, which is humming sound of like Om, AUM, which is that humming is always there around us. Even we listen any sound of horn or any sound of any person or chirping of the birds or the breeze which is making fizz. So all those sounds come and then they wither away. With that wither away of the sound, again it goes back to the Om, which is called Nada Brahma, a cosmic humming sound, which has to be heard, which has to be connected. So if you are connected with this sound of Om on such beautiful days and night, so sound which is there, and before the sound there is the absence of sound. From that absence, presence comes. It creates a humming. A is the initial word, A alphabet, and then it continues to A, B, C, D, A, I, U, A, B, K, D, and all noises, all thoughts, all talks, all vibrations, it goes on. Later it disappear from where it has appeared, which goes back to the soundless sound, which is Om Nada Brahma. So we have to come back to our own self, our initial stage, our initial dhvani, nad. So if you ride upon that Om, it is the nearest sound expressed in our Vedic Shastra with Om. But it is not letter, it is not a word, it is a soundless sound. So let's practice it for 1 minute. First, stay quiet, keep calm, physically remain what you are, stay still, just listen to yourself, be with you. This physical body, feel your own body. You may feel heaviness, you may feel itching, you may feel breeze of the air, a cold, a warmth. Just feel it to this physical part of the body, maybe your head, maybe your nose, maybe your chest, maybe your stomach, maybe your back, maybe your thigh, maybe your legs. So feel this entire body from top to the bottom. Just remain quiet. Be sensitive. Our five senses connected with our five elements. Just be calm and quiet. Be in touch with you. Feel the vibration at your body part. Let your physical body get filled with this soundless sound. It is still there, back of your mind. You can still listen that humming sound of Nada Brahma, a cosmic sound, a soundless sound. Feel the vibrations. Feel your body. Feel the sensations on your body parts. Sitting silently, doing nothing. Just remain with you. Your breath is coming in from your nostril. Breathe in. Be quiet. Listen this soundless sound which is there in cosmos all over from the world. Rishis, yogis are chanting this. Clap of the one hand. Vinashravan Toshoto Maza Atmaram. Which doesn't need ears. Your entire being is absorbing these cosmic vibrations. Listen in your own silence. Let your body, let your room, let your walls, let your thought get filled with this sound of Nada Brahma. This Reiki, this Chi, this vibrational energy reaching to you, try to absorb, get enveloped with this cosmic rays, cosmic vibrations. From this heart to this heart, from this body mind to this body mind, from this ether sense of being to this sense of being, because we are commonly sharing the same world. We are connected through this subtle vibration, rays. This sun, moon, stars, sky, ether is one. So we are one, connected with each other. Feel me, feel my vibrations. Let it get absorbed in your being. Allow it to settle in your body, in your vibrational mind, in your being. For the next 2 minutes, receive these waves to your physical body. The space beyond your thoughts and emotions. Write on this chant of Nada Brahma, Om, and go beyond. Just remain calm and quiet. times. Feel your body, feel your backbone, feel your Agya Chakra, feel your head, feel the top of your head, Sahasrara. Allow these vibrations to transmit in the air much above, beyond. Listen, your ears are still listening. This soundless sound. Every day for 5 minutes, you should connect, you should ride on this calm and quiet being or yourself. Stay connected, which is beyond your body, which is beyond your thoughts, which is much beyond your emotion. The absence of all this body, mind, emotions, this presence of this cosmic being. Listen to yourself. Stay connected to yourself. We are one. This is the purpose of such quiet nights. Sitting silently, listen to your beautiful body. Come closer to yourself, which is before your thoughts and emotions. Here we are connected to that chi, to that energy. Which was there before our birth, and which will be there after we leave this world. This is the practice which is I am sharing with you on this Chaitra no moon night, Amavasya, which is Shivaratra. So stay connected with this energy of Shiva, energy of resurrection. Thank you. God bless you.